To copy an element, select the element that we want to copy. Select the first name element. To avoid copying the text instead of the element, deactivate the text editing. Click the pencil button on the element's toolbar. We can use copy and paste shortcut keys, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or Command+C and Command+V in a Mac OS. Alternatively, we can use copy and paste buttons on the editing toolbar. To copy an element, click the copy button. To paste the copied element, we select an existing element for the location of the pasted element. The new element will be added after the selected element. If there is no selection, the element will be appended at the end of the page. We're going to paste the copied element after a line break. First, let's add a line break after the first name element. Select the first name element, if it's not already selected, and click the line break button. Click the small circle at the end of the line break element, and click the paste button. Change the text from the first name to last name.